Unity. This is one of the most popular game engines, widely used for both 2D and 3D games across various platforms, including mobile, PC, and consoles. It was first released in 2005, initially for Mac OS, and gained significant traction due to its user-friendly interface and extensive asset store. Developers appreciate its flexibility and the large community support available, which makes learning and troubleshooting more accessible. Many well-known indie games, as well as some larger titles, have been built using Unity. Unreal Engine. Developed by Epic Games, Unreal Engine is renowned for its high-fidelity graphics capabilities and robust toolset, often favored for AAA game development. It originated in 1998 with the first-person shooter game Unreal, and has since evolved through several iterations, with Unreal Engine 5 being its latest major version. It offers advanced rendering features, realistic physics, and powerful visual scripting with blueprints, allowing designers to create complex gameplay without writing traditional code. Beyond gaming, it's also used for film production, architectural visualization, and virtual reality experiences. This is a free and open-source game engine that has been gaining considerable popularity, especially among independent developers. First released in 2014, Godot supports both 2D and 3D game creation and runs on multiple operating systems. A key feature is its node-based architecture, where everything is a node within a scene tree, making it very modular and flexible. It also has its own scripting language called GDScript, which is similar to Python, offering an easy learning curve. Its open-source nature means it's continuously developed and improved by a community of contributors. GameMaker Studio. Primarily known for its accessibility and strong focus on 2D game development, GameMaker Studio has been a staple for aspiring game creators for decades. Originally released as Onimo in 1999 by Mark Over Mars, it evolved into GameMaker and eventually GameMaker Studio. It uses a drag-and-drop interface alongside its own scripting language, GML, GameMaker language, making it relatively easy for beginners to prototype and create games quickly. It's particularly popular for pixel art games and has been used to create many successful indie titles. Source Engine. Developed by Valve Corporation, the Source Engine powers many of their iconic games, including Half-Life 2, Team Fortress 2, and Portal 2. It first debuted in 2004 with Counter-Strike Source and Half-Life 2, impressing players with its advanced physics engine and detailed character animations for its time. While not as broadly available for new projects as some other engines, it has a dedicated modding community that continues to create new content and experiences for its existing games. Its architecture allows for flexible scripting and detailed world design. CryEngine. This engine is famous for pushing the boundaries of graphical realism, often setting benchmarks for visual fidelity in games. Developed by Crytek, it first appeared with the game Far Cry in 2004. Subsequent versions powered visually stunning titles like the Crysis series. CryEngine specializes in realistic outdoor environments, advanced lighting, and complex rendering techniques, making it a powerful choice for developers aiming for photorealistic visuals. It includes a comprehensive suite of tools for artists and designers, focusing on detailed world creation. RPGMaker. As its name suggests, RPGMaker is a series of engines specifically designed for creating role-playing games, primarily in the 2D pixel art style. Originating in Japan in the early 1990s, it provides a user-friendly interface that allows developers to create maps, characters, and events without extensive programming knowledge. It comes with pre-made assets, tile sets, and a database system for managing items, spells, and character statistics. While it offers less flexibility for other genres, it excels at its niche, enabling countless story-driven RPGs to be created by amateur and professional developers alike.